What's up, kids? Welcome to a video that has taken a long time to do. Working on this thing today. So we got Harrison and we're gonna pop the hood. Yesterday him and I worked on a little project for this thing that I posted on the internet and pissed a lot of people off. So the turbo 2 hood's gonna get ruined some more, but for now we're going to make a shroud. So here is the project that Harris and I made. It is a big old heat extractor. We're gonna cover up this disgusting engine with that. But we gotta make a new shroud and stuff, so let's get doing that. Pull that Johnny off if we can without like ruining it. That thing is solid.
Yeah, I use a lot of tape.
Can we grab a Sharpie? And the tape measure, so we're definitely gonna need that.
Yeah, I just started finding Sharpies as I was cleaning up.
Man,
5 of them now.
I enjoy my Sharpies.
Yeah.
Alright, kids, so we have our shroud cut out, we've got our fan marked, we have our circle that we need to cut for the fan, and then we have our little mounting holes. So we're gonna use our hole saw or our step bit. We're gonna just go around the circle and then we will get going. Oh wow, this looks trippy. Alright,
I want to write top up here so we don't get it flipped around.
Yeah, go grab a Sharpie. That's loud.
Yeah. Go. Not bad.
Jesus. Well, it's a shroud.
Is this strap new?
Yeah,
It's a good investment.
I like that shroud.
I'm dropping shit today.
Let's see if my favorite person answers. Oh shit, this thing's been filming for 7 minutes? Wow.
Your call has been forwarded.
Mikey,
to
you
a
literally
automatic
just
voice
called me.
message system.
Thanks for calling, Mike. I'm not available right now. Please leave a message. Thank you.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, Pineapple, what's up? I'm building a shroud for the FC right now. I'm working on that ducting, so I was jigsaw cutting aluminum when you called. Couldn't hear you, but give me a shout and let me know what's up. See you, bud. Oh, Jesus Christ, Mikey. Mikey's having a bad day.
Yeah.
Different injectors than what was supposed to be on that RX7 that he's wiring in Utah. So, we have a big hole on a piece of aluminum. Our fan lines up pretty well. Big dick fan. Kind of sits there. We've got a small gap here, small gap on the other side, but you know, we're just going to call that a flow and not worry about it. So we need to drill holes mount the fan up, then see kind of where that stuff's gonna go. All right, we are now to the point of the project where you have to go to Lowe's and or Ace, so we're going Ace. Dad's driving us. Oh, Jesus. Rally.
Well, what time do they close?
6.
Yeah.
3 minutes.
That's plenty of time.
Size that is. And then these guys we set are
Yeah. Let's see. Sit in metric. What's with the metric shit? That's just not fitting. What's going on? There it is. It's an M6.
M6x1?
Yep. So we need 2 of those. Then we need 4 quarters.
Wow, I forgot how to film videos because we're doing shit without filming it. But the shroud is basically just kind of taped in here right now. We're trying to figure out how we're going to bolt it to our mounts here. And we're just gonna now test fit with our paper duct and see what it looks like. Let's pull that up. So yeah, that would work. All right, well, now let's figure out how to mount this thing. Any thoughts?
Zip ties.
The old shroud is mounted with zip ties, so there's that.
I think the other way with the spacer could work. Just 2 bolts and a tab. Comes out right here on each side.
Yeah,
And then just straight down.
that would work. Or, no, we can't get it. We're gonna have to come out for sure because we're close to that. Is our bar close to the rad at all? Like fins?
No.
So here's how we're thinking of attaching the shroud to the factory mounts. Ignore this turnaround bolt. We have enough hardware, so we're trying something a little bit too long. Just to test fit. That side works. We need to do that side, and then we'll just do the same on the bottom, but we'll nut and bolt these guys down on the factory setup. So that needs to be basically 2. See, right there. Oh, good. Alright, let's cut this. This thing broke because it bent. So that's why it popped.
It's wild. You're gonna keep recording?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Alright. I did it too.
Nice. Well, we have files and grinders and shit.
Yeah.
So tomorrow I'll come pick up, I'll go buy those spacers and finish them.
It's actually exactly what they're doing. does that look so... I think it needs to come higher. Yeah, right about there. And a little bit more left. More this way, yeah.
Towards you?
Yeah. Like... maybe not that far, but around, yeah, like right around there.
Here, hold this. And we'll tape it.
Nice.
Let's put the duct back on there and then we'll kind of call it a day.
Right.
Alright, so there you have it. Harrison and I have built a fan shroud out of, I don't know, some aluminum from Lowe's, some strap, a little bit of bolts, and weather stripping. So it's super easy to do. Yeah, if you don't have one, fucking do it. I know a bunch of FC guys don't run fan shrouds for some reason. Like, y'all have electric fans, cut out a circle, get a square. Pretty easy to do. We did it, honestly, what, hour and a half?
Something like that.
Hour and a half. So tomorrow I'll actually finish this. I need to get the little spacers to run for this guy and drill some holes and then put a long bolt in there. But for the most part, we're done. Later in the week, next week, Harrison and I are gonna go get metal for those guys. And then I've got, oh yeah, and then we got the wing. I have wing clips, so we'll just fucking put those in this video too. Because you guys haven't seen shit, but...
I meant metal for my car.
Oh, yeah. There's still a fucking shitty Civic under here if you guys didn't remember. It's still gold. Someone commented on a Facebook post saying the color was super rare. I'm like, yeah, we're going to paint over it because it sucks. But then I got a bunch of mock-up plastic material for our wing uprights that we'll do Monday or so. So we'll get that going. We have that. We'll get metal for this for cage boxes. Are you getting tubing too or just boxes?
Just boxes.
Okay, so we're gonna get stuff for boxes, and then we'll do these. So overall, fan shroud's pretty good. It definitely beats the good old diamond plate fan shroud that we had, which, to be honest, this thing was sturdy. It's just ugly looking. This thing even aluminum? Is diamond plate aluminum? I don't know.
I don't know. I think it's plated. It's like plated steel or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't really mess with a lot of diamond plating.
It's heavy and gross, so there's that. So I'm glad we have some shiny aluminum to add to the other shiny aluminum we're gonna have. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you still follow me, but I appreciate it. It's been like a month and a half since I've done a video, but we've been waiting on stuff for this, and then I got bored and I worked on it. I didn't film it. I forgot the camera, blah, 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 blah. So I need to get in the habit of filming, which it'll come back again. We'll get it. We'll get there. We'll get there together. So see you guys later. Peace.